to day 3 of our May Reset Challenge. 2 more days to go, today and tomorrow. Did you wake up feeling stiff, like your body's stuck in yesterday's shape? When your spine is tight and your hips are locked, even deep breaths feel shallow. Let's shift that, slowly, gently, and fully. Let's hit the mat. Start in child's pose, knees wide, hips back, forehead to the mat. Arms stretched long. Take one deep breath here. Now inhale and slowly glide forward onto your belly. Palms under your shoulders. Exhale into a gentle cobra. Chest lifts, hips stay heavy. You're not just stretching, you're resetting the circuit between your hips and spine. I promise, this back and forth flow releases tension where your body holds stress the longest, your lower back and hips. Beginners, stay low in both poses and focus on breath. Advanced stretches, press into the floor and deepen the cobra without clenching. This isn't about flexibility, it's about reconnecting breath to movement. One more slow transition, child's pose to cobra. Hold this last stretch for 5 more seconds. That just reopened your spine, and now let's melt into the shoulders. From all fours, walk your hands forward, keep your hips stacked above your knees, lower your chest toward the mat, rest your forehead and chin. This pose doesn't just feel good, it's one of the most underrated spinal openers out there. You're creating space through your upper back, shoulders, and even ribs, and when space returns, so does energy. I promise, this pose opens the thoracic spine and shoulders, helping release posture tension you didn't even realize you had. Beginners, use a pillow block under the chest. Advanced stretches, press your palms down and lift your elbows off the floor. Do you feel the stretch between your shoulder blades? If not, slow the breath and let gravity do more of the work. Hold for 5 more seconds. That just released your upper spine. Now let's spiral through the mid-back. Back to all fours. Slide your right arm underneath your left shoulder and ear to the mat. Left hand stays planted or reach it forward for more length. You've been rotating your brain all week. Now it's time to rotate your body. I promise, the stretch improves thoracic mobility and drains deep tension from your traps and neck. Beginners, keep your left hand close. Advanced stretches, push into the mat, twist deeper through the rib cage. Hold for 5 more seconds. Breathe into the twist. Ready to rinse out the other side? Now slide your left arm under your right. Let the twist settle. Don't rush it. This isn't just a stretch. It's a pattern interrupt for spinal stiffness. You've been stuck in a forward posture. This reverses it with breath. I promise, this restores mobility where your spine tends to freeze under stress. Beginners, support your head with a block or towel. Advanced stretches, deepen the twist by reaching the top arm overhead. Hold. Can you keep your hips still and rotate even more? That's your spine waking up. Now let's finish with the full release. Sit tall, legs extended out in front. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, hinge from the hips and fold forward. This isn't about touching your toes, it's about meeting yourself where you are. Let your breath lead, let your shoulders drop. I promise, the stretch decompresses the spine, opens the hamstrings, and gives your nervous system permission to calm down. Beginners, bend the knees and hold your shins. Advanced stretches, reach past your feet and gently pulse your chest forward. Let's play a little game. Can you fold 10% deeper without forcing? 5 more seconds. That's not just mobility, that's momentum. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. And it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset. And then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with the full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, a deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.